Welcome to another episode of Life in Larrikin, Japan. We're here at Suzuki in Hekinan. We're having a look at the new 5-door Jimny. These things are like hen's teeth. They're pretty hard to find. This is the first one I've been able to find. So quite nice. The grill's all changed on them. Now, I'm pretty sure these things, these aren't Ks, these are running a 1500cc engine, 1.5 litre engine. But quite nice. This is a black one. This is like a demo one they've got. It's registered. But it's sort of quite nice. Got your fuel tank here. Nomad. Got your spare on the back. All press button sort of unlocking that. So a little 5-door. Not too bad in the back here. We've got a little bit of room. They're not really all that roomy, but your seats would all fold down and that. Got like a strut here to hold your door open. Door's got a bit of resistance to shut. Let's have a look in the back here. In the back here, oh yeah, there's not a real lot of room. They're pretty tight. It is pretty tight in the back. There's not a hell of a lot of room. But you know, throw a couple of kids in the back, you'd be fine. It's not so bad in the driver's seat. So here we've got our controls for our entertainment system. So you got, you know, Apple CarPlay and all that sort of stuff. Got your controls down here. Here's all your climate control and that. Different things. So your four-wheel drive and that. Heated seats. You got cup holders in the back. Got cruise control. Over here you got your different things, parking and lights and all that. So you just got your gauges here. You got speedo and a tacho. Got a little thing in front, tells you the door's open. But little glove box over there, not bad sized glove box. Got a little bit of a parcel thing there. You got a bit of a thing here. These are all just little buttons. And it's got a cigarette lighter. I can't see any USBs things on it. They should have some around somewhere, I'd reckon. But it's quite nice. We might just pop the bonnet and we'll have a look under the bonnet. So here we go under the bonnet. So we've got our 4-cylinder. We've got a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre engine. Got your little air cleaner, battery. It's all very neat and tidy in here. You got a bit of room. All your stuff for your ABS and that. Yeah. Little tiny radiator. Radiator's really thin. But yeah, it's all very tidy. So what I've seen, these things are going to run you around 3 million. About 2.7 or something for the base one. And then you got all your taxes and on road and all, so they're going to run you, you know, 3 million sort of thing by the time you get it on the road or a bit over. So that's about 30 grand Australian. Anyway, that's a bit of a look at the new 5-door Jimny. Let me know what you think about it. I quite like it actually. It's quite nice. And with the 1.5 litre engine, it's got to be good. It's better than the little 660cc's.